Jasper AI Software Review. The interface is very easy to use and there are lots of handy features. You don't have to spend too much time looking for the tools you need. At first, it might be confusing for a beginner, but it will get easier as you use it. However, there are a few things that you must know before using it. Boss Mode. Jasper Boss Mode lets you use commands to generate various types of content. You simply write the commands in your document editor and press CMD plus enter on a Mac or Control plus enter on a PC. You can select different commands, with some being more intelligent than others. You can even try Jasper out with a free trial for 5 days. This will allow you to write up to 10,000 words for free. You can try Jasper out for free before you make the decision to purchase the software. It is a powerful writing tool with a low cost, and many features. You can use it to write blog posts and video scripts. The software will also produce ad copy for you. You can even feed it with technical specifications and facts. This means you can get your content out in a matter of minutes. The Jasper AI trial is free, and you can get a full refund if you are not satisfied with it. Long-form assistant. Jasper is a machine learning-based long-form assistant, which can generate content in various forms such as blog posts, Facebook ads, and Quora answers. It has a large number of pre-written templates and can generate an entire paragraph in about 2 or 3 seconds. The output can be edited, deleted, or flagged. Depending on the topic, Jasper can also generate an outline, product description, or Quora answer. When using Jasper, users must first describe the kind of content they want generated. This helps the artificial intelligence to better understand what content they should create. The more details they provide, the better the content will be. As an example, if you'd like a long-form article about how to start a digital marketing business, you can tell Jasper to provide keywords. Grammar Fixer. Using a grammar fixer like Jasper will help you write better articles and improve your writing skills. The software is very easy to use and offers an excellent price. It also has a knowledge database and a YouTube channel. Jasper AI has a lot of features that are hard to find in most other grammar checkers. It can rephrase your content and explain it to children if necessary. It also has features that can generate interesting paragraphs. Plagiarism Checker. If you're looking for a plagiarism checker that can provide you with a complete report on the originality of your content, Jasper AI can help you. The software has partnered with Copyscape, a leader in plagiarism detection, to provide a fully integrated service. The Jasper AI Plagiarism Checker costs $10 a month or $100 a year. Jasper AI is available for both Windows and Mac. It has a community on Facebook, which is open to everyone. The community has a great amount of information for new users, and you can get help from real Jarvis users. Jasper AI also offers a 45-minute training bootcamp, which is helpful if you're unsure of how to use it. Easy to use. Jasper is an easy-to-use artificial intelligence software. It is a great tool for writers of various types of content, and the generated articles are of high quality. Its features include boss mode commands, recipes, and Surfer SEO integration, which makes it easier to create SEO-optimized articles. It also offers an unlimited word credit option called Pro Unlimited. It is available in a number of languages, including English, Japanese, and Spanish. The software works with various types of content, including blog posts, articles, and press releases. It can help you rank high on Google and attract loyal website traffic. You can also use it to create ad campaigns and create specific niche blogs. Jasper AI is capable of delivering any type of content or keyword, and it is easy to use. The interface includes shortcut tools in 25+ universal languages, making it easy to customize your content to your needs. Click the link in the description to get a free trial of Jasper. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.